Now at 6, day 3 of dramatic testimony from the ghost candidate. It's the trial of former state senator Frank Artiles. Today, Alex Rodriguez told the jury why he put his name in the running and how much he was allegedly paid to do it. CBS News Miami's Yvonne Taylor joins us live from Miami. And Yvonne, defense attorneys pushed back tonight. They're claiming Rodriguez is a scam artist.
A scam artist, and according to the defense of Frank Artiles, someone who also lied regarding the thousands of dollars that he received. Nasha, we're going to start now with the fact that the jury asked specific questions to Alex Rodriguez, the star witness in the whole case, about alleged contributions to our campaign, which is the reason why this trial is happening.
You told State Attorney Vandergiesen that Artiles paid you to change your party affiliation. Which payment/payments reflect that?
Well, it wasn't a specific payment. Part of the agreed $50,000 was that I would run and change my party affiliation.
Judge Miguel de la O read some of the questions the jury sent him.
Was Frank Artiles ever aware that you had 2 licenses with different addresses?
Yes, he was.
Alex Rodriguez lives in Palm Beach County. He said he never got rid of his license from his address in Palmetto Bay. Rodriguez claims Frank Artiles, knowing that, asked him to register as an independent candidate in 2020 for State Senate District 37, which implied living in Miami-Dade County.
That definitely is not a contribution, not a campaign contribution.
Defense attorney Frank Quintero portrayed Rodriguez on Tuesday as a scam artist who stole thousands of dollars from his client. He stated that money paid to Rodriguez was a loan for a business transaction.
Other than your statement that Mr. Artiles gave you the money, do you have any other evidence other than your testimony that that event occurred?
Prosecutors sought to explain that Alex Rodriguez interpreted the payments he received from Artiles in 2020 were because of his registering as a ghost candidate only.
Have you and Mr. Artiles ever completed a successful business transaction between you and him?
No, sir, none.
And then Rodriguez was asked to read to the jury a document he signed in 2020.
That is the change of party form filled out.
And the prosecution has shown some alleged text messages where Artiles supposedly asked the witness to change his party affiliation to run for office in 2020. And the state says that Alex Rodriguez received 6,000 votes, and as a result, the incumbent candidate, Jose Javier Rodriguez, which was a Democrat, lost the election versus Ileana Garcia, the Republican candidate, who won by 32 votes. The trial continues on Thursday, and of course, we will be here. We are live in Miami. Yvonne Taylor, CBS News, Miami.